And another quick video because the end of the last one you've seen that I'd done quite a few of the ribs, got those done, and that I went ahead and did the keel, which is there, all sanded up and finished. But when I took it off the board, there was gaps. I could see daylight through the joints here on the back. Now you can't. They're all filled in nicely. Looks good. One there needs a bit of sanding off, but it'll look like that when it's sanded up. All nice. So I put this piece together just to show you. I'm not sure whether you can get the white behind it. You can see there's gaps there. There's little gaps. So this is how to get rid of them. Just make sure you can see what I'm doing. Right. So do the sanding. Put my little sanding block. And we'll give it some sanding. Do it that side. Get it nice and flat like that. And then keep all your sawdust there. And we get a little bit of PVA. Just put a dab of PVA in there like that. And then your sawdust. Just rub it right in. Rub it right into the groove or the little gap you've got. And then leave it to set. And then, once it's dry, as it is now, sand it again. And there, as if by magic, it's gone. No daylight. Good job. A bit more sand in there if you were doing it, but it'll all end up finished nicely with no gaps. Okay.